I am Michael Bartarelli. I'm the owner of Michael's Jewelers and Gemologist in Haddon Heights, New Jersey. My first experience in a jewelry store was at 13 years old in Philadelphia's Jewelers Row. I'll never forget my first day. I was so excited, and my cousin handed me a broom and told me to go sweep out front. But by the end of the summer, I was working on jewelry and polishing things, and by the time that I went to jewelry school, I was far ahead of most of the students in that program. What makes my store different from most other jewelry stores is while we are a retail jewelry store in a downtown location, we are a manufacturing jeweler. We're producing jewelry here, and that's where we excel. A client will come in, we listen, we try to get a feel for what he or she is desiring, and literally we'll start sketching on a piece of paper. Once we have that design, then we go into our CAD program. We go into computer-aided design program. We design a piece of jewelry, and once that's done, we email a client a picture to give them a preview of what it's like. If they like the design, we go to one of our 3D printers and we print the model. If they like it, then we go ahead and we cast it. We will cast in silver or white or yellow gold or platinum, whatever a client desires. We make it shiny and bright. We have our gemstones that we'll set into that casting, all done right here in our shop. Nothing is more exciting than seeing a client's face light up when they pick up something and they're happy with it. And I know that I put my heart and soul into that piece of jewelry, and I know that they're going to be giving that ring someday to their own daughter. I come to work every morning. I can't get here early enough, and I can't stay late enough. I just absolutely love what I do. The creative process, to be able to take something from nothing and produce it, and sit down with my hands and set the diamonds and polish that piece, knowing that that customer is going to be in tomorrow and you're going to see them slip it on their finger. There's just nothing like it in the world.